Di mo ba kapag ina-address ng mga Filipinos, we call them Juan de la Cruz.
Yes.
So ang bawat ordinaryong Pinoy, usually when we're addressed generally, sinasabi natin, oh, ayan si Juan. Pero commonly po, pag ginagamit yung Juan, medyo negative yung connotation, di ba? Juan
Yes.
tamad, di ba? Mga ganyan.
Yes.
So we wanted to use a name that can relate to ordinary Juans just like us. Kasi po kami mga normal na bata lang, galing sa probinsya. But at the same time, bring honor and value to that name. So ang amin pong pangarap ay if we make it in this industry or in the international scene, one day Filipinos will be proud to associate themselves to the name Juan because there's now value and honor to that name. And we hope to inspire ordinary kids like us na kung kami nga, mga simpleng bata sa probinsya, nangarap at may narating, sila din kaya din.
Wow. Ang
Wow. And
lalim
I
Masyadong
thank
malalim.
you.
And I thank you.
Ang
Thank
galing.
you.